Hello friends and acquaintances, welcome to another exciting episode from SUS Vlogs. In this video, we will be learning how to sort the data. So we will be learning data sorting. So now you have a range available here. I already set up a range for you. Let me just zoom in so that you can able to see it easily. So now you can see we have a conditional formatting in each of the columns. Here we have arrows green, red, yellow. Then we have some other shapes available. Then we have some flags and we have some signal bars. So now let's suppose we want to sort the data for this range. So select anywhere, select any cell in the range, go to data tab, and you can see sort and filter group. In that you can choose sort. So a new pop-up window will come up here. So here, because since you selected a cell in the range, it will automatically get the data from the range, the headers of the range. So directional, shapes, indicators, rating, because you can see a checkbox is already checked here. My data has headers, so it is already taking the data as headers. So let's see if we want to sort the data from directional, sort by directional. So it is asking so many options: sort values, cell color, font color, conditional formatting. So we will be sorting it by conditional formatting. So you can see when we selected conditional formatting, it is automatically taking the arrows, the order, so yellow, red or green. So as you can see, our data is in green arrows. Let's suppose we want to sort the data by red arrows. So we'll select the red arrow and we'll select on top. We'll press OK. So it will select our data accordingly. So you can see now we have our data sorted. Let's go again and check out. Now let's suppose if we want to sort the data by yellow arrow. So we'll select yellow arrow and we'll press OK. So you can see it is sorting our data with the yellow arrow. So all other rows, all other columns will be sorted according to the directional range. Let's do for ratings. So we'll go delete level and add a level and we'll say ratings. So let's suppose we want to do sorting for rating levels. So conditional formatting, it is automatically getting the data for the bars. So how we need to sort? We need to sort the full bars on top. Let's see how it will work. So you can see we are getting higher bars to the lower bars. I have set up another sorting example for you, in which I have set up some names, cities, areas, salary and phone numbers. Let's try to sort it out. Select anywhere in the range, go to the sorting. So you can see my data has headers already checked. Go to cities, cell values, because we don't have any conditional formatting, so we'll go for cell values and we'll go for A to Z. We'll press OK and you can see the changes here in the city area. Now you can see it is already sorted out from A to Z: Islamabad, then Karachi, then Lahore. So now let's go back again to our sorting, and now you can see we have names here. So let's try to sort out the names again. So we'll add a level, we'll go to names, cell values, A to Z. So you can see now the first sorting will be done from cities and the second sorting will be done from names. But let's suppose if you are doing the sorting but how do you know what was your original data? So I have set up another example for you just to explain you how to get your original data back in original order. So let's suppose the same data is available here, and now what I have done, I have put serial numbers here 1 2 3 4 till 26. How many rows? Just put the serial numbers. So let's try to sort it out by cities, cell values A to Z, and now you can see cities has been sorted out by A to Z. Now let's try to sort out. Now you can see the serial numbers has been changed because the sorting function is sorting the rows according to cities. Let's try to add another level of names, cell values A to Z, and now it is sorting. First it is sorting cities, second it is sorting names, and again your serial numbers has been changed. So now if you want to go back to your original data, you come up here and you delete all the levels, add a level, serial numbers, cell values smallest to largest, and now you have the data in your original condition. So before doing any sorting, you can just put the serial numbers and then you will get your original data back in original position. Thank you for watching my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Allah Hafiz.